Bulawayo is burning. If I blow on the dust of the paths that I cycle on my way to afternoon tennis, I come across letters, a B or a Y, in a tantalizing, hard-to-solve puzzle. And swimming and splashing in African summers, in pools that speckle the suburbs, they're there once again, an L or an O, colliding an inch below surface. They belong to an alphabet, locally made, which I propose to turn into grammar, to decipher the truth of the town of my birth, whose blaze is too bright to be studied. And if I lay out my finds and move them about, might a sentence develop at random? Or maybe each letter's a clue in itself, which will finally give me the answer. I live in a city that's burst into flame, whose objects beam waves of pure radiance, and shielding my eyes or watching the ground will never relieve the discomfort. Since fingers and soil are part of the fire, they're joined to the rest of the rapture, and all I have left are the letters I've glimpsed, concealed in the skin of each item. So A stands for what? For millions of things, acacias and ants and wild antelope, for acts of apartheid brought by the empire, with locals corralled in locations. And if I try to resolve what A represents, I'll search till my eyes are dead embers, and remain just as lost, as battered by rays, still trapped in illiterate ignorance. Have I looked far enough? Are there signs that I've missed, religious or mathematical? And just as I think that a pattern is near, in a symbol within a flame lily, I'm told I must go. An aeroplane waits for Europe on a non-return ticket, and I gaze from the plane at the burning below, Bulawayo, the unresolved landscape. For the rest of my life, the letters turn up, though frigid and academical, and shuffling them about yields a theory or two, but nothing takes me back to the inferno. And must I really tempt fate and set fire to my house to rekindle those youthful inquiries? Or can minds recreate a child's first response on my hunt for the source of the arson?